If you have ever wanted to grow a YouTube channel faster with more views and likes, then keep watching this video for 5 tips plus a bonus pro tip to level up your videos. Let's go. What's up, creators? I'm Brad, and with so many channels and creators on YouTube, increasing traffic to your channel has become a bit of a challenge we shall overcome. I've created key takeaways throughout this video designed for you. Take notes, listen, and rewind. From now on, you will be able to boost your organic reach of your videos, and I'm really looking forward to sharing these with you today, right now. When I first started on YouTube, I was not sure what niching down even meant. Is it about all the way down to the protons, neurons, and electrons, or just focusing on one sprocket of a cog? Yeah, I know, I get really literal. But I soon discovered that after you have uploaded your first 24 or so videos, the answer will jump out at you in your analytics.
Boo, just kidding. There's no spooky stuff here.
For you, I wanted to take a deep dive in my analytics as an example of what I have uncovered, and the same phenomenon, you got what I mean. This will happen for your channel too. Based on analytics from YouTube search, you can see the clear winner is videos about views, and the audience retention is above 50% to boot. Even if I change this to 90 days or lifetime, it is still giving me double digits as compared to my other types of videos. So either people love the way I talk about getting more views, or the keyword competition is low and the search volume is high. Either way, this is what you should be going for. I also want to see where my subscribers are coming from, and we see here that videos about subscribers are giving me more subscribers. Go figure. Audience retention is also above 50%. I passed over the first 2 videos because they were my first uploads, which I posted to social when I initially started my channel, and the other video is my channel's trailer. So these results aren't as organic as the others. If we look at what people are clicking on from suggested, we see a healthy mix. Something that I noted, and I'm sure that you've noticed, is that I'm getting more views for videos about views, and I'm getting more subscribers from videos about subscribers. I wonder what this is telling me. What is the mystery? DM your theories or comment below. I will dig deeper in my analytics and get back to you in another video. Let's take a quick break. Welcome back to my channel, where I show new and future YouTubers how to grow on the platform with more views and subscribers with a new video every Sunday afternoon. Click on the red subscribe button below and tap on the bell icon to be notified of my newest trending videos, because you don't want to miss out on my cutting edge tips that can grow your channel to the next level. Now back to the video. Most of the time we are not getting enough likes because our viewers just needs a reminder to like our video. I want your videos to get more likes because it means more engagement, which are positive signals for the algorithm to surface your videos higher and higher in search and suggested. You can try saying something like, "Go ahead and like this video," and show an animation or an image on the screen.
No, I heard that if you tap the like button, the YouTuber will see the pin to your bank account.
If you forgot to do this, you can go back to your old videos and simply add a pinned comment to encourage people to leave a like. Remember to like your own videos too, but do not just like and close out. That will be bad for your retention. Go to YouTube search, find your video using the title, watch in full, hit the like button at the end. Your thumbnail makes a huge impact in the number of views your video is going to receive. I want you to get more views, and to do this, you have to make sure that your thumbnails are more eye-catching with exaggerated facial expressions and intense human emotions with eye contact, bold big fonts, and that are less than 4 words. Use colors red, yellow, and green in your thumbnail.
I don't like those colors. I don't like those colors. I don't like those colors. I don't like those colors.
Monitor your analytics, fine-tune, and repeat. Be careful of clickbait. The thumbnail really needs to connect with that video in the first 15 to 50 seconds. Otherwise, viewers are just going to click out. and I want your videos to have high audience retention so that the algorithm can pick up your videos. YouTube's algorithm considers keywords in your titles, description, and tags. I want you to ask yourself, what is my audience searching for on YouTube? What are the trending topics as it relates to my niche? Now take that knowledge and research how your audience is looking for that content. Are they typing how to or looking for something more specific? YouTube Auto Suggest is a great place to start. Let's say your video is about how to tie a tie. YouTube Auto Suggest provides insights into what people commonly search for so that you can get a pretty good idea of what to title your video to. Be specific with your title. For example, how to tie a tie in different ways.
Why do I have to do this?
You want to do this because optimization is crucial to attract more viewers organically. High quality video and strategic keyword implementation on across titles, descriptions, and tags are a major factor to stand out in YouTube's competitive search results. YouTube recognizes active channels, and the more videos you upload, the stronger your channel will appear. Your subscribers will also recognize too that after a while, Johnny uploads every Tuesday at 8 p.m. And just like a TV series, your fans will gravitate to your channel that time each week. Upload schedules should remain consistent, and posting should happen when your audience is most active on the platform. For me, this is Sunday afternoons in North America.
I sleep in on Sundays.
To stay on top of my game, I have created a progress schedule for each day of the week, which has been working for me. Some days are more intense than others, but it is important to not go on a binge and do everything all in one day of the week. And this has happened to me. Trust me, creators, it's fun, yet it's no walk in the park. I know that this is easier said than done, and life gets in the way. And I do not always stick to this schedule 100%, but it's a great way to keep myself on task. I want to hear from you. Comment below if you found a tuber schedule that works for you, or if you do it all in one day of the week. Record, edit, and upload. Here's a pro tip to level up your views. Organize videos into a playlist which you can add as an end screen or element to direct viewers to binge watch your channel after watching this video. Did you know that you can get even more views from a higher click-through rate? Tap on the following card or look for the link in the description to watch this must-see playlist next about maxing out your click-through rate and your audience retention. See you in the next video, in social media, and in the comments. Remember to love your journey and have fun.